So guys, may acne scars ba kayo? So today, i-discuss natin yung mga different surgical techniques for acne scars, kung ilang percent improvement ang pwede nating i-expect with each technique, and also ilang sessions ba minimum ang kailangan nating gawin with each surgical technique. So number 1 guys is subcision. So yung subcision guys, gumagamit po yung doctor or dermatologist ng needle or ng cannula para i-break yung mga fibrotic acne scar bands na nagpo-pull down doon sa ating skin. So usually nakikita ito sa mga rolling scars, no? So kaya po nagkakaroon ng parang hindi fine, parang hindi regular na texture dahil may mga fibrotic bands po na nagpo-pull down doon sa ating mga acne scar. So according to studies guys, no, you can expect around 30 to 70% improvement depending on the scar type and severity and also the technique na ginamit. So for my patients guys, no, para mas maganda po yung magiging improvement, gumagamit tayo ng specialized cannula. So usually kasi guys, yung mga cannula na ginagamit is blunt po yung edge or yung iba is matulis lang po siya na needle. So kinakat niya yung mga fibrotic bands in between. But the problem guys with this one is that the fibrotic bands sometimes tend to reconnect again. So nagkakaroon ng reappearance yung irregular scarred surface or rolling surface ng ating skin. Kaya for me, using this specialized na cannula na para siyang wedge shape, so I can actually break the scar bands from different origins beneath the skin and just above the fatty layer of the facial skin para hindi na po sila mabalik, para matanggal na po talaga yung mga scar bands at hindi na po sila mag-reconnect in the future. So the subcision may require 1 to 6 sessions and dapat 4 to 8 weeks siya apart. And you may see the maximal results after 3 to 6 months. Yung next naman guys is punch excision. So dito guys, no, usually ginagawa siya sa mga box scars that are more than 3 mm and also sa malalaki na mga ice pick scars, no. So gumagamit po yung dermatologist ng punch excision. Para siyang ano guys, no, ball pen tapos pabilog na cylinder blade and then kinukuha or tinatanggal po yung mga scars and it is actually replaced with a linear scar. And then yung resulting linear scar, nire-refine po yun ng laser over time. So usually this requires only 1 session guys and you can see the maximal results after 3 to 6 months. The next one guys is the TCA cross. Ginagawa natin ito para sa mga ice pick scars. So ito ay kung saan nagde-deposit po yung dermatologist ng TCA or trichloroacetic acid na 100% concentration doon sa ating mga ice pick scar. So usually ginagawa ito ng 3 to 6 sessions and dapat 4 to 6 weeks apart po siya. And yung maximal results din po nito is around 3 to 6 months. Next naman guys is microdermabrasion. So ang technique na ito po ay usually ginagawa para sa mga superficial acne scarring. Gumagamit ang dermatologist ng isang suction tapos meron siyang mga diamond phrases dito sa dulo. So nagkakaroon po ng mechanical resurfacing. So microdermabrasion okay po siya para sa mga superficial acne scars. But may tinatawag tayo na dermabrasion, so more aggressive po ito. As in, layers po talaga ng skin ang natatanggal. It's actually for deeper scars, as in, nagdudugo po talaga yung skin ninyo after the procedure. Pero guys, may mga complications po ito, lalo na if darker skin phototypes like your scarring, no? So, kaya hindi siya masyado ginagawa talaga for Filipinos. And hindi ko rin favorite itong microdermabrasion, guys, kasi nanonotice ko parang mas kumakapal yung skin ng mga patients because of the pressure and the suction. But for dermabrasion and microdermabrasion, you can expect around 30 to 50% improvement. So for dermabrasion, usually 1 to 3 sessions yung kailangan. And for microdermabrasion naman guys, nangangailangan ito ng at least 5 sessions para makakita ng improvement. And again, full effects can be expected after 3 to 6 months. Next guys is yung mga lasers natin, no? Kagaya nito, ginagamit ko po yung gold standard CO2 para sa ating mga acne scars, yung Ultra Pulse. So ito po ay isang klase ng ablative laser and you can actually expect around 50 to 80% improvement and usually nagre-require ito at least ng 1 to 3 session. Yung mga non-ablative laser naman guys, no, usually around 30 to 50% improvement lang ang ma-expect natin. And this requires more sessions, like 3 or 6 sessions or even more. So for about 6 to 8 weeks, makakakita na tayo ng mga visible results, but the full effects you can see after 6 to 12 months. Next one is microneedling. So yung pinaka-popular in-clinic procedure is paggamit po ng automated dermapen. And usually, sometimes gumagamit sila ng PRP. So, meron din naman na hindi nag-PRP. So, hindi ko to favorite guys kasi for me, sobrang dami ng tusok na nagagawa sa skin ng patient. So, if overzealous yung pag-deliver natin ng procedure na ito or nasobrahan yung skin, maaaring mag-cause ito ng injury, maaaring mag-cause ito ng more inflammation, and that can sometimes worsen the appearance of your acne scars. Kaya hindi ko po talaga ito favorite. Mas okay sa akin po itong dermastamping. So, pag dermastamping po, mas controlled nyo and mas alam nyo kung ilang beses na puncture yung skin natin. So, usually, ang sinasabi ko sa patients, dapat 3 passes lang po nito. Okay na po yun. Wag po sosobrahan. Hindi rin po magiging maganda yung results. So, usually, you can expect around 30 to 60% improvement depending on the depth po. So, the longer the needles po, the deeper penetrating it is into the skin, mas mataas po yung improvement. But the more superficial and mas maikli yung needle, the lesser improvement we can expect. So for Filipinos, guys, no, at least they need around 6 to 10 sessions to see visible results. So guys, dapat every 4 weeks po yung interval between sessions and you can see, no, some cases 3 months pa lang nakakakita na sila ng visible results, but full effects po, usually for Filipinos, it takes around 6 to 10 months. So last guys is your fat grafting or your fillers. So ito guys, no, usually sa mga severe scars po ito, kung saan nagkaroon ng severe inflammation na nag-extend doon sa fatty layer ng kanilang face or sa kanilang skin. And natunaw po yung mga fats, kaya po nagkakaroon talaga ng mga really deep depressions sa kanilang skin. So since nawalan po ng tissue and fat, nagkaroon po ng volume loss doon, kailangan po nilang palitan yon with fat or fillers. Makaka-expect tayo ng improvement around 30 to 70% improvement. But if filler po yung ginamit, usually nire-repeat yung process na ito around 6 to 12 months depending kung anong klaseng filler po ang ginamit. But yung full collagen remodeling po ay nangyayari around 3 to 6 months with these procedures. Pero for me guys, no, ang combination therapy pa rin ang pinakamaganda yung outcomes. So yung preference natin po is the combination of acne scar surgery and laser scar revision. I hope this helps. For more acne tips, follow me in Basta Acne DMD. Bye!